Meet Zuba, a little girl with a big heart for nature. Every morning she loved playing under the big old oak tree at her school. Every day Zuba plays, reads, and talks with her favorite tree. It feels like her best friend. One morning, Zuba hears her teacher say the tree might be cut down. Zuba decides to protect her tree. She tells her friends, "Oh no, they want to cut down the tree. We have to do something." And they decided to make colorful signs together.
Save our tree, it helps us breathe, it helps us be. Save our tree for you and me.
The teachers, parents, and principals see how brave Zuba is. They join in to save the tree too. The community listened, and the tree was saved. That weekend, Zuba's family throws a little party to celebrate. They dance, laugh, and eat under the tree's shade. Zuba learns that even little kids can make a big difference. Protecting nature starts with one brave heart. Use this story to teach your students about environmental stewardship today.